What? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Where? Where do you eat breakfast? Where do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen.
When? When do you wake up? When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Why? Why do you drink coffee? Why do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee to feel awake. I drink coffee to feel awake.
Who? Who do you talk to at breakfast? Who do you talk to at breakfast?
I talk to my sister. I talk to my sister.
How? How do you go to work? How do you go to work?
I go to work by car. I go to work by car.
Which? Which clothes do you wear today? Which clothes do you wear today?
I wear a blue shirt today. I wear a blue shirt today.
What? What do you cook for lunch? What do you cook for lunch?
I cook rice and chicken. I cook rice and chicken.
Where? Where do you study English? Where do you study English?
I study English at home. I study English at home.
When? When do you take a shower? When do you take a shower?
I take a shower at night. I take a shower at night.
Why? Why do you exercise every day? Why do you exercise every day?
I exercise to stay healthy. I exercise to stay healthy.
Who? Who do you meet after work? Who do you meet after work?
I meet my friend after work. I meet my friend after work.
How? How do you make tea? How do you make tea?
I make tea with hot water. I make tea with hot water.
Which? Which music do you listen to? Which music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music. I listen to pop music.
What? What do you watch before sleep? What do you watch before sleep?
I watch short videos. I watch short videos.
Where? Where do you relax after work? Where do you relax after work?
I relax in my room. I relax in my room.
When? When do you clean your room? When do you clean your room?
I clean my room on Saturday. I clean my room on Saturday.
Why? Why do you learn English online? Why do you learn English online?
I learn English online to improve quickly. I learn English online to improve quickly.
Who? Who do you call every evening? Who do you call every evening?
I call my mother every evening. I call my mother every evening.
How? How do you practice speaking? How do you practice speaking?
I practice speaking with videos. I practice speaking with videos.
Which drink do you like most? Which drink do you like most?
I like orange juice the most. I like orange juice the most.
What? What do you do after dinner? What do you do after dinner?
I read a book after dinner. I read a book after dinner.
Where? Where do you keep your phone? Where do you keep your phone?
I keep my phone on the table. I keep my phone on the table.
When? When do you go to bed? When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
How? How do you start your day? How do you start your day?
I start my day with breakfast. I start my day with breakfast.